Hello, good morning students. Welcome in SDIT online classes. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत from electrical department. Dear student, in today class we will study on circuit analysis part 31, and in this class we will discuss on numerical problems on Thevenin theorem. In previous class we have discussed about Thevenin theorem. What is the statement of Thevenin theorem? And now in this class we will solve some numerical problems based on Thevenin theorem. So first we remind statement of Thevenin theorem. Statement of Thevenin theorem say that if a linear active bilateral network can be converted into a simple network which consists of a voltage source VTH and a series resistance RTH. So, using Thevenin theorem, when we solve any numerical problem or circuit problem, then first of all we have to calculate VTH. VTH is the open circuit voltage at the load terminal, in which we have to find the value of current. Second is RTH. RTH is the open circuit resistance or equivalent resistance across the load terminals when load is removed from the circuit. So during this process we have to remember that voltage source is represented by its internal resistance, means internal resistance of a voltage source is 0. So voltage source is always short circuited and a current source is always open circuited. So now we take a problem and we have to solve this problem using Thevenin theorem. In the given problem we have to find the value of current I0 in a 3 ohm resistance. So first we have to find VTH, RTH and then I0. So to calculate the value of VTH, we draw a simple circuit which consists of a 3 volt voltage source and a current source of -1 ampere and 3 branches of 6, 5 and 2 ohm. So first we remove load resistance 3 ohm from the circuit and we find VTH across the terminals of the load. So we calculate VTH. VTH is the voltage across open circuit terminals of the load. So VTH is equal to I into R. I is the current in 2 ohm resistance. So value of current in 2 ohm resistance is -1 and R is 2 ohm. So value of VTH is -2 volt. Next is RTH. To calculate the value of RTH, first we short circuit the voltage source and open circuit the current source. Then we find the equivalent resistance across the load terminal. Now from load terminal side we see that the RTH is equal to 2 ohm. So now in next step we draw an equivalent circuit with VTH, RTH and RL. So VTH is -2 volt and RTH is 2 ohm. So equivalent circuit consists of VTH of -2 volt, RTH of 2 ohm and RL is 3 ohm. So we can find I0. So I0 is equal to V upon RTH plus RL, where V is -2 volt RTH is 2 ohm and RL is 3 ohm. So I naught is equal to minus of 2 upon 2 plus 3. So value is minus 2 upon 5, that is minus 0.4 ampere. This is the value of I naught that flow in a 3 ohm resistance. So this is the procedure of finding current in any branch of the circuit using Thevenin theorem. Now if we want to calculate the value of VTH voltage, then voltage becomes minus 0.4 into 3, that is voltage V0 becomes minus 0.4 into 3, that is minus of 1.2 volt. This voltage is the voltage across the load terminal. Now in next problem, we have to find VTH, RTH and load current IL using Thevenin theorem. In this question, there is only a one voltage source of 48 volt and four branches consist of resistance 12 kilo ohm, 4 kilo ohm, 8 kilo ohm and 5 kilo ohm. So according to procedure, first we find VTH. So to find the value of VTH, first we remove the load terminals or load from the circuit, load resistance from the circuit. Then we find voltage across the open circuit terminals of the load. So now in this circuit, VTH is nothing but the voltage across 4 kilo ohm resistance. So now we apply voltage division rule. Voltage division rule states that if two resistors are connected in series and we have to divide voltage V across the resistance, then first we write resistance of that branch divided by total resistance into total voltage. So here VTH is equal to 48 into 4 upon 12 plus 4. So this becomes 48 upon 48 into VTH is equal to 48 into 4 upon 16. So it is 4 and it becomes 12 volt. So the value of VTH is 12 volt. Now in next step, we have to calculate RTH. So RTH is the open circuit resistance or equivalent resistance from the load terminal side. So RTH is this. So RTH is equal to 12 plus 12 parallel 4 plus 8. It means a resistance of 12 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm are in parallel and combined resistance is in series with 8 kilo ohm. So equivalent resistance is RTH and its value becomes RTH is equal to 12 into 4 upon 4 plus 12 plus 8. So what is the value? Value becomes 12 into 4 upon 16 plus 8. So 4 into 3. So value becomes 11 kilo ohm. So the value of RTH becomes 11 kilo ohm. Now we have find the value of VTH and RTH, where RTH is 11 kilo ohm and VTH is, what is the value of VTH? VTH we have calculated, its value is 12 volt. Value of VTH is 12 volt. Now we draw an equivalent circuit with a load resistance. So in next step we draw an equivalent circuit with load of 5 kilo ohm. Now circuit becomes a voltage source VTH, a series resistance RTH and RL 5. It is 11, it is 12 volt. So I0 is the current in 5 kilo ohm. Now the I0 is V upon RTH plus RL. V upon RTH plus RL. So I0 becomes 12 upon 5 plus 11, that is 12 upon 16, or 3 upon 4 becomes 0.75 ampere. So value of load current I0 is 0.75 ampere. So this is the procedure of finding I0 load current, and we can also calculate the value of voltage across load resistance. So in this question, resistance across load becomes V is equal to IR, where I is 0.75 and R is 5. So V0 is equal to 5 into 7.5. So its value becomes, what is the value? 3.75. So V0 becomes 3.75 volt. Okay, thank you for today class, dear student. This is the procedure of finding VTH, RTH, V0, I0 using Thevenin theorem. Okay, thank you.